Hello, welcome back to the channel. Coming up in this episode.
Now, I've come over the crest of a hill and I've just literally done some amazing hairpin bends. Now I can smell poo though. Yorkshire tea bags, sat looking at this view. That could have been something quite special. Probably the worst place to try and get internet, but let's have another quick look and see if we've got any yet.
Well, you know this is going to be good, so let's get into it. Cue the intro.
I mean, I really do like it up here, but we've got to get to this pass. I've got one whole day today, one day filming up here, so I want to make the most of it. But yeah, right, back to the Himalayan, and while we're in the Yorkshire Dales, I just think I'll be stopping and looking at stuff all the time. Do you know what? I have stood and looked at this bike, but I still haven't looked at it. Does that make sense? You know, when you sit there, I mean, I had a cup of coffee with someone and looked at it. I looked at the dealership, but I've not just sat down and taken it in, its features, etc. So that's something I need to do. But anyway, one of the things I really like about this bike already is this turning circle. I mean, look at this, for a turning circle. This is quite a narrow road, and boom, lovely. And feet on the floor, just, do you know what I mean? It's just lovely. I'm not worried about it at all. Right, let's toodle pips, people. Let's toodle pips. I'm taking some more of this beautifulness. Now, again, it's terrible because it's cloudy and it's quite windy, but it's also absolutely stunning because it's not busy. I even know where I am. I'm not going to lie. I am following this turn-to-turn thing, and it's telling me in 1.4 miles I need to take a right. I've got 1.4 miles at least of this lovely view, and I'm going to poodle all day and enjoy it. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Now, one of the things, again, not moaning at all, but I like to have the helmet up and talking directly to you on the camera, but I know with this wind, it's just going to be rubbish, so unfortunately this is the way that it is. Anyway, let's just enjoy this. It's just stunning. Absolutely stunning. I've got a feeling this is pretty much what it's going to be like the entire time. Now, I've come over the crest of a hill and I've just literally done some amazing hairpin bends, and it's just, I can't, it's just awesome. I mean, what can I say? It's just, I am in my element at the minute, and this bike feels so good. It feels so, like, chuckable. It's like it leans in for you. It feels good. So, I'm just going to share this last little, I don't even know how long this goes on for, but I don't know where I am, even. I love that. Just, let's do this. Don't ask me to tell you how to get here, because I haven't got a clue, and I can't even look at the map, because it's turn by turn, but wow, just look at this. Look. Oh. And the Himalayan, just like I said, it leans almost for you. It soaks it up. Just wow. Just wow. This is just some beautiful road. Now I can smell poo though. Oh. It's that thing that if I switch the camera off, I'll be scared that you're going to miss it. But I know you can't see it the way I'm seeing it now. I mean, that just goes on forever in front of you. And if we can have roads like this and that and hardly any traffic, it's motorcycle paradise. Absolutely motorcycle paradise. It's stunning. The only thing that I'm missing on this little trip, being in the tea country, is another hipster, because he brings his tea making kit and a couple of Yorkshire tea bags, sat looking at this view. That could have been something quite special. Okay, now One thing I didn't think about is that the sat nav is obviously run off of 4G like Google Maps does on your phone. And where I am, I've got none, and I've come to like 2 different crossings now, and I still haven't got any. It's saying I've got Wi-Fi. Why would I have Wi-Fi? Right, turn off that. Let's see if it picks up the 4G. Please work, because if not, I'm in trouble. Well, not in trouble. I just have to go and find internet, but it's something I didn't think about. And then it kind of makes me go, do I go? And the thing about the TomTom is that for me, it doesn't charge on the holder properly, what's an absolute pain at the butt. But not just that, it's just another big device to have on your sort of bike. So this was going to be a good fix. But I think this would be great in a city, in a place like that, where you know you've got good internet and you just pop in locally, but not for a trip. Right, anyway, let's see, no internet connection again. So we need to go and find internet somewhere. I'm going to look, this road looks absolutely amazing, so I'm going to use this piece of road and enjoy the ride. If worse gets to worse, I'm just going to keep exploring, because I mean, look around us. I mean, it is absolutely beautiful. I mean, stunningly beautiful. So it's not the end of the world. Getting lost here is awesome. And I'm here for the Yorkshire Dales. I don't have to do the pass. I don't have to do off-roading. But I just want to have an adventure. And let's be fair, getting lost in the Yorkshire Dales is an amazing adventure. I kind of wish that I'd brought my heated vest though. Oh, right, here we go, let's go. I'm generally hoping it kicks in. I'm generally hoping I'm going the right way and I've not just added on another load of miles. But hey, I've got 300 miles to do on this bad boy, so more the better, I suppose. And let's get going before any cars catch us up. Let's go, 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 go! This can't be full on throttling it like power, because I'm running it in. But it can be go, 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 go for now. Oh, just look at it all. It is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's just poodle. Let's get some internet and hope we can get a reconnection. I'm going to do a little bit and I'm going to pull over and see if I can find some. I've got to pick it up sooner or later. And then I'm going to have to try and make some kind of visual memory. That's not going to work. Of the route that I'm going to do, like in the olden days when you look at a map and go, oh, if I just follow this and then I take this and I do that. And yeah, like that's going to work for me. But I'll try. Come on, internet. You must have internet, surely. And they've got a massive area on the house. I wonder if that's so they can get internet. Just stick a massive pole up in the sky and then you connect your phone to it and you get internet. It's really amazing if you really think about it, how much that we as people rely on it. Because I rely on my sat nav. I've not brought a map with me because I just generally never use them. So yeah, it says it all, doesn't it? Now, one thing back there was the quite famous viaduct where lots of people seem to walk to go and see. It must just be, one of the first, I don't know. But the amount of cars there, like, it's unreal. And again, that's not me. I was thinking I'll stop and get a photo with the Himalayan and the viaduct in the background, but there's nowhere to park, and all you get is a photo of loads of walkers and leotards and bloody cars. You won't get any of the actual prettiness of the viaduct because they've stuck their cars everywhere. If they all just rode motorbikes, it'd be a beautiful picture of motorbikes in a viaduct, and it's worth stopping. If I tried to let go of this and do my, look, it goes. Is it because I've weighted something wrong, do you reckon? Or the way I'm sitting? Or I don't know, it seems to move to the right. However, we're in the vast mountains, hills, valleys and stuff where we can't get any internet. Here we don't know what's going on in the world and everybody is happy. Here we go! Woohoo! Does lean so nicely, this bike, like really nice. Oh, it's sublime. I can't believe I'm saying that about an adventure bike, but that is just, oh, lovely. Fight through this cloud and give us beautifulness. Oh no, look, some raindrops. It's not good. Maybe I should have gone the other way. Chasing the sun, maybe I should call this video and see if we can find any. Hello, is that a little bit coming through? Is that a little bit coming through? Is it? That was short-lived. Looks like it's going again. Oh no, it's back! Oh, son, motorcycle, amazing route. What more do you want? Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Don't get carried away and you're running the bike in, you're running the bike in, you're running the bike in. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Try again. And no, I can't do it. Is it me? Is it the bike? I don't know. Right, this is probably the worst place to try and get internet, but let's have another quick look and see if we've got any yet. The problem I found as well with the app, it doesn't seem to auto reconnect. You kind of have to go back in and click on the little helmet and get it to connect. I've tried my settings, going like, oh, there must be a way this just automatically connects. It does to everything else, but for some weird reason it's not. So Royal Enfield, if you are watching this, tell me what I'm doing wrong. Do you mean there's no internet? File data, still nothing. Okay. Well, we're going up here to the top of the hill, so fingers crossed when we get there, we can get it.